I'm going to show you in this video how you can add more pages on Hostinger website builder. So what you're going to have to do here is just to go here to pages and menu and in navigation, pages and navigation. And then from here, what you're going to have to do is to just click on this button right over here, add page. And then from here, you can add a new page. You can add a blog. Okay, so we have now a new section with blogs. We can click on here, edit blog, and then manage posts. So from here, we can click on blog and manage all posts. And from here, you can just manage your pages and navigations. And then here you have a new page blog, but on this one right over here, for let's say where it was here, let's say I have this section. I can delete this one as well, the text. And now I can just add a new section here, and you can add a new section. But that's just to add a new section. But to add a new page, that's what you have to do here, add a new page, and you can add the different kinds of page. You can also start from scratch and add just an empty page. But you can also add some contacts, services, projects, privacy policy, refund policy, terms and conditions, a blog, an empty page, and also can use AI to help you create a page. Just describe exactly what you want. As you can see an example here, it gives you some examples, Hostinger. And yeah, it's pretty cool that you can just describe exactly what you want, and it will create a page for you. And if you want to add a blank page, you can add a blank page from here. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.